Hello guys, in this video we will solve the problem of automatically saving photos from WhatsApp on your phone. If you want to deactivate this feature, all you have to do is follow the steps explained in this video, but before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share the video, and thank you from the heart to everyone who does his blood now. Let's go to the explanation. The first step, my friend, is to go to your WhatsApp. Then click on the three small dots above us, then click on Settings. Then click on Chats. Here, you will find this feature activated. Automatically save photos in your gallery. You deactivate it, and thus you will be able to prevent WhatsApp from storing photos and videos directly to your gallery. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited. For inquiries, for any problems or suggestions, write them in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.